All right, everyone, a quick update for JASMY here. So we've been covering JASMY almost every day. It's not doing anything. It broke out of the bear flag here to the bottom. It's pretty much been hugging the 618 at 47, and we're just kind of sitting here. Everything, the stock RSI, the MACD, the regular RSI, everything is going sideways. The Heikinashi candles are printing indecisive for weeks now. So after the drop, it does not know what it wants to do. So the reason for this update is, if you watch the channel here, you know that every update I mentioned that some form of this flagpole measured move is potentially going to play out here. It could be 4.3, it could be 3.9, 3.5, or all the way down here at the bottom at 2.9 for, that 40% drop, which would be a great buying opportunity for JASMY. But like I said, or like I say in every update, that does not have to play out like that. And with that said, one thing I want to point out on this update is in between this 4.3 up to 4.7, there is a macro support area in this price zone. So we tagged it here, here. If we scroll back here, you can see back in late March, we had a bounce on 4.3. We had a wick down here back in early March. And if we keep scrolling back, we had some more wicks down here back in January. And then if we go even further back, you can see in December of last year, we had resistance at this price area. And we scroll a little further back, we had more support at this 4.3 area back in October. So this area in between 4.3 and 4.7 is a macro, sort of a macro support and resistance area, price area. So there is a chance that we never go lower than 4.3 here if we ever stop hugging the bottom here at the 618 and 4.7. So there is a good chance that JASMY has already bottomed out and we could start moving higher. But with that said, everything's going sideways, everything is indecisive. The moving averages are all curling down here, putting us into a downtrend officially. So if we get over 4.7, of course, we have to get over the moving averages, the 21 at 5.0, and then the 786, the 50, the 100 at 5.4. So there's a lot of resistance here. But the reason for this update here is that we are at some sort of macro support here in this area. So there is a chance that we come down to this 4.3 area and bounce out of here, or we can come down in this area and we can consolidate. And if that is the case, then this is a very strong area. If we come down and we just stay in between 4.3 and 4.7 for weeks or months on end, that would be a very bullish sign of accumulation for JASMY to move higher at some point. So I just wanted to make that clear and point that out, that that is a possibility. But of course, there still is the possibility that some form of this still plays out even lower than 4.3 out of this bear flag here. So it remains to be seen. We're all kind of waiting around on JASMY here. JASMY's really not doing anything, so we'll just take it day to day, like I always say, and hopefully we do get these lower prices. I would not mind these lower prices at all, especially down here to 2.9. That would be kind of a good DCA opportunity, and probably the last time it ever came down here, in my opinion, on JASMY. So we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Hopefully that helped a little bit. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.